Namaste students, I am Professor Dr. Beena Diwan from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Director Faculty of Law and Governance. Today's our session is alternative to existing justice dispensing system in India. So we will start. We will take firstly introduction. For the efficient functioning of any legal system, fundamental requisite is that such system shall be built on the aspiration of the people. Law or legal system for that matter will not work in vacuum. For this reason, surrounding social condition are the deciding factors for adoption or for bringing any change in the legal system. Unfortunately, in a developing country like India, it is considered to be normative practice to find the solution for our problems, legal problems. In Western jurisprudential through thought and practice age in India with the view to overcome the problem of formal legal system. Serious attempt were made and continue to be made, as result of which there is adoption of alternative dispute resolution system, ADR system of Anglo-Saxon style in this country. Thus, post-emergency, the dominant theme of legal reform was translated into sponsoring relatively informal conciliatory and alternative institutions alongside the former judicial mechanism. The early 1980s saw a concreted effort to promote a more indigenous character within the justice dispensing system and to provide alternative to the Anglo-Saxon models of adjudication. अब हम बात इंडिया की करेंगे. In India, until now, no solemn attempt has been made to identify and to recognize our own system of justice administration, which stood as efficient mechanism of dispute resolution from Vedic age. This development brought us to such tragedy that more than 70% cases in rural India even today were solved by traditional panchayat. In fact, these panchayats were the true aspiration of institution, whereas foreign made ADR has got statutory recognition even though they were failed to achieve desired result except Lok Adalat. Anything disapprobable had happened by ADR, alternative dispute resolution, in this country. Today, justice dispensing system in India is on to state road at the one end failure of formal law courts, resulting in backlog of cases, and on the other hand, ADR fails to get much need public support. Under this circumstances, it is essential to rethink on the new wage out for coming generation. Accordingly, it is essential in this context to study various forms of ADRs, their development and mode of working of ADR, so as to assess its pros and applicability to the pluralistic society of India. ADR system alternative dispute resolution system, the uh, uh, the basic 8 preeminent questions surrounding ADR in this: what is an alternative dispute resolution to? The answer, क्या होगा इसका आंसर, particularly in India, is that it is the alternative to the often traditious, strictly formal legal proceeding in court that is presided over by a state appointed judges with consent representing the parties, and in some cases of jurisdictions the presence of jurists was recognized to be an alternative to the judicial system. Is it clear? That has been existing in India. In fact, alternative is not conciliation, mediation and arbitration, but the British system justice of administration for the region is used to appropriate and not as alternative. The problem with the alternative approach is that there are numerous cultures and communities in many parts of India where litigation is not the norm, and it is actually the alternative. The norms for these people are their own community dispute resolution procedure. Hence, the word alternative in ADR seems to be a misnomer as applied. In India, all forms of lok adalat, conciliation, mediation, arbitration were prevalent, being part of the legal system. From the time immemorial, lok means people and adalat refers the court. It is nothing but a people's court. Nyaya Panchayat of those glorious past of this country, right? It is approximate 250 years of colonization made our own systems as alternative, and it was brought back in more prevented form as ADRs after independence. Clear? अब हम बात करेंगे कॉन्सेप्ट की. कॉन्सेप्ट ADR रिजोल्यूशन सिस्टम इज ओल्डन डेज इन इंडिया. काफी समय, पुराने समय से चले आ रहा है. बिफोर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लॉ, कोर्ट्स इन इंडिया पीपल वर settling the matters of dispute by themselves, by mediation. The mediation was normally headed by a person of higher status and respect among the village people, and such mediation was called in olden days panchayat. The pancha is the person of integrity, quality and character who will be deemed to be unbiased by people of the locality, called village headman, जिसको हम कहते हैं विलेज हेडमैन को सरपंच की कहते हैं. And he was assisted by some people of same character or Kadi from several castes in the locality. The dispute between individuals and families will be heard by the panchayat. And decision given by the panchayat will be accepted by the disputants. The main thing that will be considered in such panchayat will be the welfare of the disputants as also to retain their relationship smooth, right? Similarly, in the case of dispute between two villages, it will be settled by mediation consist of person acceptable to both villages, and both villages and people from both the villages and the dispute in olden days seldom reached law courts. They were even settling the complicated civil disputes, criminal matters, family disputes, etc. Such type of dispute resolution maintained the friendly relationship between the disputants even after resolution of their disputes. ADR techniques have also been largely based on coexistential justice. This form of justice has always been part of African and Asian traditions. Were conciliatory solutions were seen to be the advantage of all and often as a sine qua non for survival. So, let us take ADRs in its ordinary contextual form and discuss about the original and development. Alternative dispute resolution, ADR, sometimes also called appropriate dispute resolution, is a general term used to define a set of approaches and techniques aimed to resolving dispute in a non-conditional way. It covers a broad spectrum of approaches from party to party engagement in negotiation as the most direct way to reach a mutually accepted resolution, to arbitration and adjudication at the other hand. When an external party imposes a solution somewhere along the axis of ADR, approaches between these two extremes lies mediation, a process by which a third party aids the disputant to reach a mutually agreed solution. The alternative dispute resolution, ADR, is often used to describe a wide variety of dispute resolution mechanisms that are short of or alternative to full scale court process. The term can refer to everything from facilitate settlement negotiations in which disputants are encouraged to negotiate directly with each other prior to some other legal process, to arbitration systems or mini trials that look and feel very much like a courtroom process. Process designed to manage community tension or facilitate community development issues can also be included within the rubric of ADR. ADR system may be generally categorized as negotiation, conciliation, mediation and arbitration system. So, finally, this session is completed. It is very important topic for examination point of view. कुछ क्वेश्चंस है इसके वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जो एग्जामिनेशन में अक्सर कर पूछे जाते हैं. राइट डाउन प्लीज. हाँ, लिख लीजिए इसको ताकि आप लोग को पता रहे कि किस तरीके के क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं इससे रिलेटेड. नंबर 1, एक्सप्लेन द अल्टरनेटिव to existing justice dispensing system in India with illustrations. And second, write the short note on alternative to existing justice dispensing system in India. So, If you have any problem, you can feel freely contact to me. Is it clear? Thank you. Thank you so much.